साल 2023 पाकिस्तानी क्रिकेट के लिए तो बहुत बुरा साबित हुआ, हम लोग वर्ल्ड कप हार गए, लेकिन पाकिस्तान फुटबॉल टीम के लिए साल 2023 किसी नेमत से कम नहीं था। इस साल हमने बहुत सी कामयाबियां समेटी हैं। इसी साल पाकिस्तान फुटबॉल टीम ने 8 सालों के वक्फे के बाद कोई इंटरनेशनल फुटबॉल मैच खेला और फीफा वर्ल्ड कप क्वालिफाइंग मैचेस में पाकिस्तान की शिरकत हुई। इसके अलावा पाकिस्तान विमेन फुटबॉल टीम ने भी कई कामयाबियां अपने नाम की हैं। ख़वातीन फुटबॉल टीम के लिए साल 2023 कैसा रहा, कौन कौन सी कामयाबियां हासिल की, इन सब पर बात करने के लिए इस वक्त पाकिस्तान विमेन फुटबॉल टीम की कैप्टन है मारिया खान साहिबा इस वक्त हमें ज्वाइन कर चुकी हैं। उनसे हम बात करेंगे और उनसे जानेंगे कि आखिर उनके इस हवाले से क्या व्यूज़ हैं, वो कैसा महसूस कर रही हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू आवर शो मारिया, गुड टू सी यू, हाउ आर यू? आई थिंक सो मारिया की आवाज़ मुझ तक तो नहीं पहुंची। प्रोड्यूसर साहब जरा देखिएगा। मारिया, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, Maria, welcome to our show.
Thank you so much for having me.
Okay, okay, Maria, tell us about your, this success. What specific aspects of your training which contributes in this, in special performance, excellent performance?
Yeah, so I think, over the past year, the whole team, national team from the women's side has been able to compete regularly during the FIFA window. So I think us just being able to train regularly and play together regularly, I think has been, a key part of our success that we had in 2023. So again, we look forward to doing this in 2024 as well.
Okay, Maria, you scored a goal against Saudi Arabia on a free kick, and it has been around a year. But still, fans remember the goal. What do you want to say about it?
I think it's an amazing thing for Pakistan. I think for us to be able to, see the potential of football in the country, and how much talent that we have in the country. And I think, that goal, along with the other achievements from the men's and the women's team and the youth teams as well in international competitions, I think is, a good sign of what's to come, for Pakistani footballers, for Pakistani football fans, and for sports overall. So yeah, really excited to contribute to the success of football in the country.
Maria, as you know, pressure handling is, really matters in a game. So how do you handle pressure during crucial moments in a game? What strategy you follow?
Yeah, thanks for that question. I like that. I think for me, it's just being able to remain calm and confident and remind myself that whatever we've done or whatever we're experiencing in that moment, in that pressure situation, that I've done it before, right? I've experienced it before, and things are going to be okay, especially when you have the support of your teammates around you. You can look around and, I'm confident to say that I know these girls, are going to be there for me, and they're going to work hard, and we're going to work hard for each other and for our country.
Okay, Maria, as a captain, I want to ask you, how do you balance, individual performance and obviously individual performance goals with the overall team performance?
Yeah, so, with football and what I believe in, for me, it's always the team first, right? And, being able to support teammates. Again, as far as an individual thing goes, anytime you're within a team, you have to be the best version of yourself, to be the best version for the team. So again, I always, try to reflect and see and assess and have some self-awareness to make sure that, I'm the best that I can be for myself, but most importantly for the team as well.
Yeah. Okay, Mani, you have joined Saudi club Eastern Flames. What kind of exposure and experience are you getting from there?
Yeah, no, it's an amazing experience. Lots of exposure. The league and the club do a really good job of highlighting the players, highlighting the matches. The matches are actually televised, So it's the first women's league in the region that is actually shown live. So the amount of exposure that players are getting, that teams or clubs are getting is really positive for sure.
Okay, Maria, finally, I want to ask you, in your opinion, what are the key qualities, to make a best female football team?
A football team? Oh, wow. Good question. I think something that's really important is just being able to have players within the team that are willing to work hard and be accountable. I think if you are able to bring together, good players, good people that are willing to work hard and again be accountable and have self-awareness, I think it's a good foundation for a team.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।